Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this car cup holder expander with coin holder so I could demonstrate it for you. We'll look around the box. Little instructions here on the side. Let's see what comes in here. So there's your coin holder. Looks like the coins just slide right down in, spring loaded. Nice logo. Then, good for the box. Got an extra screw here as well as a screwdriver. That's pretty nice. And in here we have a few things. So we have our user's manual for the car cup holder. Nice. Then we have, this is the extension part. So that's what the screw is for. Essentially, you pick where you want your cup holder to be. You got 3 options here on the bottom. And so you pick your spot there or there, put your screw in, and then you're able to put this into your cup holder where that it's able to hold a bigger drink. And of course, this little groove here on the side is where your change organizer can slide into. Once you put your screw in here, you put this back in, and now you can hold a bigger cup inside of your car and also have your change. And of course, you can turn this any kind of way you need that works and is comfortable for you. Very nice. So that should essentially do it for this car cup holder expander. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me so I could unbox it and demonstrate it for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.